So today's video regarding Brother printer. Model is MFC-J497DW. I'm going to show you how to do the scanning with this printer. So that will be the multiple scannings using the top feeder tray which is here. Now the first step is to place the pages here. So I'm going to use two of these pages and you have to place it like this. And you will hear the sound as well. Next step is to connect this printer with your device. For example, I'm going to use the Android device. So go to the display panel, click on the setting icon and click on the network. Look for Wi-Fi direct and click on that. Look for manual and it will display the name of your printer and password here. So here you can see the name of the printer and password is displayed. Now the next thing is to go to your device. Now I go to my Android device and open the Wi-Fi network, and here we see direct MFC-J497 printer. Click on that and enter the password as displayed in the screen. Click on the connect button. So it is connected now. You also need to download the Brother Iprint and Scan app from the App Store. Open this app and here we have to add the printer. So click on printer button and it will search for the available printers here. Once you see the name of your printer, click on that again and it will add up here. Also on the screen follow the instructions. Here we can see it is connected, so we go back and printer is available here. We have to click on the scan icon as I'm going to show you how to do the multiple scannings, and click on scan button again. So once the scan is finished, we click on the done button. So you need to place all the copies at once you want to scan, and it can scan at least 20 copies altogether. So here is the result. So this way we can do the scanning with this printer. Thanks for watching.